Hi, I'm Senior Criminalist John Miller, President of ACDOJ, the Association of Criminalists. I'd like to extend a cheery season's greetings to all of you, and I think this is a great time to let you know about some of the resources available to you as a member of ACDOJ and CSLEA. Let's start with our new exclusive member discount program, where you can get discounts on movie theater tickets, hotels, car rentals, cell phone service, restaurants, theme parks, even coupons for grocery shopping. I'd also invite you to check out the CSLEA website, look for us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and learn how to protect your rights as a state employee by watching short videos on our YouTube channel, where CSLEA attorneys will tell you what your rights are and where you can go for help. If you haven't been receiving emails from me, or you know someone else who hasn't been receiving emails from me, contact me via email at the email address on your screen. Don't forget to check out the calendar on the CSLEA website that shows various membership events around the state. We'd love to see you at our summer barbecues, where we all get to know each other a little better and have an opportunity to attend many seminars on things like retirement, your rights, and how to become a site rep. And as we round the corner into 2014, please know that you can always contact me for assistance on any issues that I may be able to help you with as Association President. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you in the coming year. Happy holidays.